Good afternoon and welcome to the Weather Centre this Sunday. Thunderstorms are most likely today on the highveld of Mpumalanga and the interior of KwaZulu-Natal. Otherwise, dry conditions for the western parts of South Africa with a strong southerly wind along the west coast. But tomorrow we lose the strong winds and then the temperatures will soar over the western part. This morning started off with cloud-free conditions over the Cape provinces, but it was cloudy to begin with in the northeastern part, and thunderstorms are most likely this afternoon on the highveld of Mpumalanga and the interior of KZN. We're not expecting further rain along the east coast, and after yesterday's good rains over the northern parts of Limpopo, we're keeping the forecast for this area dry as well, but isolated storms could develop over Gauteng and northwest. The SA Weather Service warns against a high fire danger over the northern parts of the Northern Cape and in the West Coast District as well. There's also a watch for severe thunderstorms over the interior of KwaZulu-Natal with a possibility of large hail and damaging winds. Apart from that, it's a quiet day as far as weather is concerned, with mostly clear conditions across the Free State as well. Overnight, low cloud returns to the eastern part and thunderstorms will develop once again in the northeast tomorrow afternoon. But dry conditions over the western and central Free State, very hot weather over the interior and the coastal areas of the Cape provinces. The winds reach 40 kilometers per hour in Cape Town this afternoon. Southwesterlies between 20 and 30 kilometers in the far west as well. Onshore winds for East London, 20 kilometer per hour winds in Port Elizabeth and light winds over the northern interior. Daytime temperatures reaching 30 degrees in Johannesburg today, upper 20s along the east coast, and we're expecting a high of 28 degrees in Cape Town with 42 likely in Upington. It remains warm overnight over the northern and western parts with a low of 21 in Upington tomorrow morning, 24 degrees in Springbok and Cape Town with a low of 20. Upper teens for the Eastern Cape coastline and Johannesburg dropping to a low of 16. Let's take a look at Cape Town's weather for the next 5 days. Very hot tomorrow with sunny conditions and a high of 35. Morning fog brings relief from the heat on Tuesday, and it becomes windy again on Wednesday with a lot of high cloud moving in over the Western Cape for Thursday as well. But by Friday there is a cold front making landfall, and that could bring some rain towards the evening. On Monday we're expecting dry weather for the central and western parts, thunderstorms likely in the northeast once again. But by Tuesday thunderstorms become likely over the Northern Cape as well. That's all from the Weather Centre. Enjoy your afternoon.